Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. An online Java compiler is a web-based tool that allows you to write, compile, and run Java code directly from your browser without the need to install Java on your local machine. This can be particularly useful for learning, testing small snippets of code, or sharing code with others. How to use an online Java compiler. 1. Choose an online compiler. There are several online Java compilers available. Some popular ones include Replit, https://replaceit.com. JDoodle, https://www.jdoodle.com. OnlineGDB, https://www.onlinegdb.com. Idione, https://ide1.com. To write your code. Once you select a compiler, you will typically see a text area where you can write your Java code. Most compilers will also provide options to choose the Java version you want to use. 3. Compile the code. After writing your code, you can click the Run or Compile button. This will compile your code and show any compilation errors, if there are any. 4. Run the code. If your code compiles successfully, the compiler will execute it and display the output in a console area below or beside the code editor. 5. Debug and modify. If there are errors or if the output is not what you expected, you can modify your code and run it again until you achieve the desired results. Example Java code. Here's a simple example of a Java program that calculates the factorial of a number using recursion. You can copy the following code into an online Java compiler to see it in action. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. Import java.utility scanner allows us to use the scanner class to read input from the user. 2. Factorial method. The factorial method is a recursive function that calculates the factorial of a number. If the number is 0, it returns 1, base case. Otherwise, it multiplies the number by the factorial of the number -1, recursive case. 3. Main method. The main method is the entry point of the program. It prompts the user to enter a number, reads the input, and calls the factorial method. Finally, it prints the result to the console. Running the example. 1. Open your chosen online Java compiler. 2. Copy and paste the code into the code editor. 3. Click the Run button. 4. Enter a number when prompted and press Enter to see the factorial result. Conclusion. Online Java compilers are a convenient way to practice and test Java code without needing a local setup. They provide an easy environment for beginners and experienced developers alike to prototype and share code. By following the steps in this tutorial, you can start writing and testing your Java programs online. Happy coding!